So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a high interest savings account here on the RBC Mobile application. So once the RBC app's opened up, what I want you to do is right where it says account overview, you can press on open an account, or you can go to the bottom right and press on more, then scroll down to where it says open an account, and then press on that. Once you're on the open an account page, press on the savings option. So the second option from the top, press on savings. Then under savings account here, I want you to, once it loads, I want you to go down to where it says RBC High Interest Savings Account and then press on that. Once you're here, it'll show you the current interest rate in the top right hand side. It'll also tell you some perks that come with this account, and if you want to view the fee table, you can press on view the fee table and then check out the fees that are associated with this account. And if all looks well, and if you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on open an account in minutes, and then follow the steps that way. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to open up a high interest savings account on the RBC Mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.